What is comprehensive car insurance? Comprehensive car insurance is a type of auto insurance coverage designed to protect your vehicle from a wide range of incidents and events that are not caused by a collision. Unlike basic liability or collision insurance, comprehensive coverage extends to various types of damage, offering extensive protection and peace of mind to vehicle owners. One of the primary benefits of comprehensive car insurance is coverage against theft. If your car is stolen, comprehensive insurance will cover the cost of replacing it, ensuring you are not left without a vehicle. Similarly, if your car is vandalized, whether through broken windows or graffiti, the repair costs are covered. This coverage extends to damages from natural disasters, such as hurricanes, earthquakes, floods, hail, and storms, which can otherwise result in significant financial losses. Fire damage, whether accidental or due to external causes, is also included under comprehensive insurance. This means that if your car catches fire, the cost of repairs or replacement is covered. Additionally, comprehensive insurance covers damage caused by falling objects, such as tree branches, providing an extra layer of protection in unpredictable situations. Animal-related damage is another aspect of comprehensive coverage. If your car is damaged by hitting an animal, or if an animal causes damage to your vehicle, comprehensive insurance will cover the necessary repairs. Furthermore, damage resulting from civil disturbances, such as riots, is also included, ensuring you are protected in a wide range of scenarios. Comprehensive insurance is often required by lenders if you are financing or leasing your vehicle. This requirement is due to the extensive protection it offers, safeguarding the lender's investment. Although comprehensive insurance typically comes with a deductible that you must pay out of pocket before the coverage kicks in, the broad scope of protection it provides makes it a valuable addition to any auto insurance policy. In summary, comprehensive car insurance is an essential coverage option that protects against a wide array of non-collision related damages, ensuring vehicle owners are prepared for the unexpected.